Hi everyone. So we are going to see a question from Binomial Theorem JEE Mains 2019 question. If summation of I equals to 1 to 20, 20 Ci minus 1 by 20 Ci plus 20 Ci minus 1 whole cube equals to k by 21, then k equals to. So it's a lengthy question. Let's break it down and solve it easily. So first, if I able to manipulate this term inside this, so I will get some simplified version of this, then I will whole cube it, then I will put the summation symbol, then I will try to solve the question. So first let's try to simplify 20 ci minus 1 upon 20 ci plus plus 20 ci minus 1. Let's consider this to be um, a. Now this is equals to 20 ci minus 1 by 20 ci plus 20 ci minus 1, right? So let's we know this how to represent this, right? So it is 20 factorial upon 20 minus of I minus 1, that will be 21 minus I. It's 21 minus I factorial times of I minus 1 r factorial, right? So I minus 1 the whole factorial upon again 20 factorial upon 20 minus I factorial times of I factorial plus 20 factorial upon, this is again the same term, see 20 ci minus 1, this is also 20 ci minus 1. So since they are the same terms, so you'll get the same value only, right? So this will be 20 factorial upon, I've just copied that, 21 minus I factorial times of I minus 1 factorial. So now a equals to, this 20 factorial everywhere cancels out, right? If I take this common here, everything it cancels out. So it becomes 1 upon 21 minus I the whole factorial times I minus 1 whole factorial. Now 21 minus I whole factorial can be written as 21 minus I times of 20 minus I the whole factorial, that is 21 minus I minus 1, that is 20 minus I. So it is 20 minus I the whole factorial. Okay, so times of this value, that is I minus 1, I minus 1 factorial upon this is 1 upon, okay, now 20 minus I factorial is there, so I'll just write that. So why I'm taking is this to simplify this, times of I factorial plus again the same term which is here, right? So it is 1 upon 21 minus I times of 20 minus I factorial times of I minus 1 whole factorial. Now this can be further written as, now what we will do is, like, we will cancel the common terms. So the common terms here is 21 minus I times 21 minus I. So actually, yes, 20, like it is common as 20 minus I factorial, sorry. So this 20 minus I factorial here cancels, and here 20 minus I factorial cancels with this 20 minus I factorial. And the remaining is these things, 21 minus 1 upon 21 minus I times of 1 I minus 1 the whole factorial upon 1 upon 1 I factorial plus 1 upon 21 minus I times of I minus 1 factorial. So now I'll write this. So 1 upon 21 minus I times of I minus 1 factorial upon, this will be 1 upon, now see, I factorial can be written as I times of I minus 1 factorial. So it is I times of I minus 1 factorial plus 1 upon 21 minus I times of I minus 1 this is 1 I minus 1 factorial. So now this I minus 1 factorial, I minus 1 factorial, I minus 1 factorial common this can be cancelled out. Hence I will get simplified version like 1 upon 21 minus I upon 1 upon I plus 1 upon again 21 minus I. Now if I take the LCM, then I will get 1 upon 21 minus I upon this will be 21 minus I plus 1, so it will be uh, 21 minus I plus I, sorry, 21 minus I plus I will be 21 upon this is 21 minus I times of I. Now this 21 minus I, this 21 minus I cancels out, hence I will get the value of I upon 21, that is equals to E. Now we got this, that is we simplified the entire thing here, and I got the value to be I upon 21. I took this as A and I got I upon 21, right? So now I'm going to further I'm going to include this, or I'm going to substitute this in this value. So now it will become sigma or summation of I equals to 1 to 20 of I upon 21 whole cube, right? So now this is equals to I upon 21, the whole cube is I cube upon 21 cube, right? So 21 cube is a constant, so I will take this outside. So it's 1 upon 21 cube sigma I equals to 1 to 21 of I cube. So now we know that, okay, we know that n sigma of n cube is equals to n times of n plus 1 upon 2 the whole square, similar to sum of n terms but whole square. So hence this is 1 upon 21 cube. Sigma of this value is like this I is like it is I times of I plus 1 upon 2 the whole square, which is equals to 1 upon 21 cube. So I is like there are how many terms? There are 20 terms. So like from 1 to 20 there are 20 terms. So if I want to substitute the value to be 20, so 20 times 21 upon 2, so it will become 20 cube square times of 21 square upon 2 square. So now sorry now so this 21 cubed and this is 21 square, right? So this will cancel with this, so I will get 20 square is 400, right? So 400 this will be 4, so this is like 1 upon 21 times 20 by 10 the whole 20 by 2 the whole square. So 20 by 2 is actually 10, so 10 square is 100, so it is 100 upon 21. So I got the value of summation of I equals to 1 to 20 of 20c I minus 1 upon 20ci plus 20ci minus 1 equals to k upon 21. So sorry, it's equals to 100 upon 21. So this entire value is equals to 100 upon 21. That is actually equals to k upon 21. So therefore, if I relate this, I will get the value of k, that is equals to 100. Therefore, the answer for this question is 100. Thank you.